Hey there, stressed out souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about promoting wellness and helping you find peace in the chaos. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 effective stress management techniques to help you relax and rejuvenate. Let's dive in. Stress is a natural part of life, but it's essential to take time for self-care and find healthy ways to cope. Let's explore these techniques that will leave you feeling calmer and more centered. Number 1. Deep breathing. Take a few moments throughout your day to practice deep breathing exercises. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale gently through your mouth. Deep breathing calms the nervous system and promotes relaxation. Number 2. Meditation and mindfulness. Engage in meditation or mindfulness practices to quiet your mind and focus on the present moment. Whether it's guided meditation, yoga, or simply sitting in stillness, these practices can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Number 3. Physical activity. Get moving. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance session, or a yoga class, physical activity can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Number 4. Connect with nature. Spend time outdoors in nature. Take a walk in the park, go for a hike, or simply sit and appreciate the beauty of your surroundings. Nature has a calming effect on our minds and can help us feel grounded. Number 5. Pamper yourself. Treat yourself to some self-care. Set aside time for a warm bath, indulge in a skincare routine, or simply relax with a good book. Pampering yourself helps reduce stress and rejuvenates your body and mind. Number 6. Pet therapy. If you have a furry companion, spend quality time with them. Studies have shown that interacting with pets can reduce stress and promote feelings of joy and relaxation. Number 7. Engage in a hobby. Dedicate time to a hobby or creative activity you love. Whether it's painting, gardening, or playing a musical instrument, engaging in hobbies can be a wonderful outlet for stress relief. Number 8. Laughter therapy. They say laughter is the best medicine, and it's true. Watch a funny movie, spend time with friends who make you laugh, or try laughter yoga. Laughter reduces stress hormones and boosts your mood. Number 9. Visualization and affirmations. Picture yourself in a peaceful and positive place during times of stress. Use affirmations to reinforce positive thoughts and beliefs. These techniques can shift your mindset and reduce anxiety. And finally, number 10. Herbal tea time. Sip on a calming cup of herbal tea, such as chamomile or lavender. The warm beverage and soothing properties of certain herbs can help you unwind and relax. There you have it, 10 effective stress management techniques to help you relax and rejuvenate. Remember, it's essential to take care of yourself and prioritize your well-being. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips. Stay calm, stay peaceful, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe and follow on social media,